If you're building a PC in 2026 and don't know where to start, you're not alone, and one wrong choice can waste your entire budget. But here's the truth, you don't need the most expensive parts, just the right ones. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best PC builds for every budget. Number 5, AMD Ryzen 5 7600 Smart Entry CPU. Starting at number 5, we have the brain of your entire system, and this is where most beginners either overspend or make the wrong choice. The Ryzen 5 7600 is one of the smartest CPUs you can buy in 2026 because it hits that perfect balance between performance and efficiency. It comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, which is more than enough for gaming, multitasking, and even light content creation. What makes this CPU special isn't just raw power, it's how efficiently it delivers that power. With a boost clock up to 5.1 GHz, it handles modern applications smoothly without consuming excessive energy. That means lower heat, less noise, and a more stable system overall. Another huge advantage is the AM5 platform. This is not just a CPU purchase, it's a future investment. You can upgrade to newer processors later without changing your motherboard, which saves money in the long run. For beginners, this is exactly what you need, something powerful enough to handle today's tasks but flexible enough for tomorrow. It won't bottleneck most mid-range GPUs, and it keeps your build balanced. So if you're building your first PC or working with a limited budget, this CPU gives you a strong, reliable foundation without wasting money where it's not needed. Number 4, Radeon RX 7600 PE. At number 4, we have the most important component in your entire PC, the GPU. And if there's one place you should spend money, it's here. The Radeon RX 7600 is one of the best value graphics cards right now because it delivers strong performance without destroying your budget. This card is designed for smooth 1080p gaming, and it can even handle 1440p in many titles with optimized settings. That means high frame rates, better visuals, and a much smoother experience overall. What beginners don't realize is this: your GPU has the biggest impact on performance. You can have the best CPU in the world, but if your GPU is weak, your system will still feel slow in games and creative tasks. The RX 7600 solves that problem perfectly. It gives you modern features, solid efficiency, and enough power to handle most current games comfortably. It's also a smart long-term choice. You won't need to upgrade immediately, and it pairs perfectly with mid-range CPUs like the Ryzen 5 7600. So if you're building a PC and want real performance, this is where your money should go. Number 3, Corsair Vengeance DDR5 32GB, Future-Proof RAM. Coming in at number 3, we have something most beginners underestimate: RAM. But in 2026, RAM is no longer just a background component. It directly affects how smooth your system feels. 32GB of DDR5 RAM is quickly becoming the new standard, especially if you multitask, run modern software, or keep multiple apps open at the same time. Think about it: browser tabs, editing software, background apps, games, all running together. If your RAM is limited, your system starts slowing down, stuttering, and lagging. This is where Corsair Vengeance DDR5 stands out. It delivers high speed, stability, and reliability, which means your PC runs smoothly even under heavy workloads. DDR5 also gives you a future advantage. It's faster than older DDR4 memory and better optimized for modern CPUs, especially on newer platforms like AM5. So instead of upgrading your RAM again in a year, you're already set for the long term. If you want your PC to feel fast, responsive, and smooth every single day, this is a component you should never cheap out on.